Hi everyone. It's Sunday, 27th of September 2020, and the time is just about 1600 hours, 4 p.m. And I'm about to have a late lunch. It's a tomato and cucumber salad. I have sliced tomatoes at the bottom, sliced Kyuri, about 10 slices of Kyuri, one tomato. I've got smashed garlic on top, cut scallion, chives, and coriander, cilantro. And for herbs, I've got the last of my Italian herbs, Kampot black pepper, and vinegar. I've got sherry vinegar, Jerez sherry vinegar. So that's it for today. See you next time. Bye.